Hello everyone, welcome to Start Tech. In today's video, we are going to discuss what are the different deployment modes in Spark. Typically, this question in an interview is asked like we have a deployment mode like cluster and client mode. So what is the difference between the two? So let us discuss like how this question can be answered in an interview. So what is deployment mode? What does it specifies? It specifies like where the driver program should execute. Okay, this has been specified by deploy mode argument. By default, the deployment mode argument would be client. Based on this argument, Spark decide how the driver should run or how should it behave in a entire Spark job execution. So there are two modes like client and cluster as we discussed. So let us see what is the difference in client mode. In a client mode, the driver program will run on the same machine from which the job is submitted. Typically, this is the edge node on which it runs. This is expected answer in a interview question standpoint. So the main drawback in a client mode is that if the driver program fails, entire job will fail. As we already saw that yarn client mode, so it yarn resource allocation is possible, but the performance is very low and it is worse. So in a production environment, this is not used, and we can pass this in a deploy mode in a Spark submit command. So what is the difference, like how differently cluster mode behaves? So in a cluster mode, the driver program won't run on the same machine. It will run over the cluster. It introduces a sub process of application master to run the job. Typically, in any data node, the driver program will run. The biggest advantage over the client mode, cluster mode, it will reinitiated if the driver program fails. It is specified by Spark submit command. So in a gist, when you get such a question, so answer would be like driver program would run in the same machine, while cluster mode it would run in a sub process. If the driver fails in a client mode, entire job will fail. So this is the biggest disadvantage. Whereas in cluster mode, advantage is that it reinitiates the driver program. Driver runs on a edge node typically in a client mode, while in a cluster mode it can run on any data node. So this is what is expected answer in an interview. So hope you got some idea for answering to this question and you're liking the content on Start Tech. Please do subscribe, consider subscribing Start Tech if you like the content. Also, please do comment in the comment section like what all videos you would like to watch in this channel. Thank you and bye bye.